Vivo has announced its latest addition to the wireless earbuds market, the Vivo TWS 3i, which is set to officially launch on September 5th in China, coinciding with the release of the Vivo Y300 Pro smartphone. In terms of design, the Vivo TWS 3i closely resembles the Vivo TWS 3e, which was launched last year in China. While the appearance may be familiar, the new model brings some improvements, particularly in battery life. They are available in blue and white. As per the official poster, the standout feature of the Vivo TWS 3i is its impressive battery life. The standard version offers up to 45 hours of continuous use, while a long battery life version pushes this to an even more substantial 50 hours, catering to those who require longer-lasting performance. The earbuds are equipped with Bluetooth 5.3 for reliable connectivity and feature AI call noise reduction to enhance the clarity of phone calls by minimizing background interference. The earbuds specifications and features will be disclosed at the official launch event, providing a complete picture of what users can expect from this new offering. If we look at the TWS 3e specs, it offers 11mm dynamic drivers with DeepX 3.0 and 3D panoramic audio, featuring intelligent active noise cancellation and AI call noise reduction for clear sound and voice quality. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.